Hello student, this is class 10th science chapter 4. This is part 10. In this video we will discuss homologous series. Homologous series, it is a series of compounds in which the same functional group substitute for the hydrogen in a carbon chain. Examples: alcohol, CH3OH, C2H5OH, CH3S7OH, C4H9OH. The first point of homologous series is they have same general formula. Second, any two homologous differ by CH2 group and differences in molecular mass is 14 unit. Next point, have same chemical property but show gradual change in physical property. The topic is homologous series. Homologous series. Suppose in case of alcohol I mean functional group is OH. In case of methane, CH3OH is first alcohol which is called methanol, methyl alcohol. CH3OH homologous series which differ by CH2 group. Suppose in case next alcohol is CH3CH2OH. Next is CH3CH2CH2OH. Next is CH3CH2CH2CH2OH. In these alcohol, only difference is CH2 unit. Only CH2 unit. Only CH2 units. I mean, as the chain increases, CH2 group is increases. So the mass difference, I mean CH2 unit is differ from each other. So only one atom of C6 is used. So mass of C6 is 12 and 2 hydrogen. So 14 unit mass difference. 14 unit mass difference between homologous series. They have same general formula. Suppose in case of alcohol, first point is they have same general formula. In case of alcohols, the general formula is CnH2n plus 2O. The general formula of alcohol is CnH2n plus 2O. In case of methanol, CH3OH. In this case, N is equal to only 1. N is equal to number of carbon atoms. In this case, only one carbon atom is present. C1, H plus 2O. Then CH4O. CH4O, C, H3 and 1, H4 and O. So this formula is right. In case of ethanol, I mean CH3CH2OH. In this case, CnH2n plus 2O. N is equal to 2. Number of C atom 1, 2. 2 multiplied 2 plus 2 is oxygens. 2 H4 plus 2 is equal to C2H6O. C2H6O, C2H5 and 6O. So this formula is right. So they have same general formula. In case have the same chemical property but gradual change in physical property. In case of alcohol, its chemical property is almost same but physical property different, because methanol or ethanol they are differ in melting point, boiling point and in water solubility. These are physical property of alcohols. In case of carboxylic acid, suppose first is CH3COOH. This is acetic acid. Then CH3CH2COOH. Then CH3CH2CH2COOH. So this series also differ by CH2 group only. Then CH2, then CH2. I mean CH2 is added in this series. So this is also called homologous series. In case of aldehyde, I mean functional group is CHO. Suppose first aldehyde is CH3CHO. Then in homologous series, next aldehyde is CH3CH2CHO. Then next aldehyde will be CH3CH2CH2CHO. Then CH3CH2CH2CHO. So in this series CH2 group is increased in H step. CH2 group is increased in H step. So this is also a homologous series. Suppose the series is CH3CHO, then CH3CH2CH2CHO. In this series C2H4 unit is increased. This is not homologous series.